Now, I know you just want to know how I applied and styled my wig, or you wouldn't have clicked on the video. Please stay tuned for a step-by-step tutorial, and I will show you exactly how I did it. So after you braid your hair the way you want it under the wig, you're going to go in with the Got To Be glue. It says Got To Be ultra glue. It's not glue, you guys. It is styling gel, but it holds your hair really well. So I'm just going to brush back my edges. Y'all, I'm trying to keep my edges. So I just kind of want to brush them back as smooth as possible, kind of get them out the way so that when I apply the glue, it's not laying straight on top of my edges. So next, you're just going to put your wig stocking cap on. This is optional, but I like to do that. I feel like it protects my hair a little bit better, and it also gives you that scalp look. Then you're going to go in with your Got To Be glue spray. This is kind of the same type of thing like the gel, but this is the spray, and this is how you are going to secure your stocking cap. So as you can see, because I be spraying a whole lot, I have to take my blow dryer and I like to dry it quick. You could do this even if you don't spray a lot, but it just dries it a lot quicker and it should be stuck to your skin. Next, you're going to take some scissors. Girl, don't cut yourself. And also, do not spray behind like where you sprayed it, or the stocking cap will not be stuck. I'm just kind of cutting it around my hairline because I then apply my wig just a little bit further than that wig cap. So before you start applying the glue, you're going to take some foundation. You want this to match your skin tone. So make sure your foundation matches your skin tone because you really want this to look like scalp. You want to look like you got a bald head. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the lace part of the wig. I just wanted to match my scalp and my skin tone. I will do another video about bleaching and everything. But then you're going to put the wig on and place it where you would like it to sit. And now you start applying the glue. So what I like to do if I am wearing the wig for like a little longer than a week or whatever, I apply several layers of this glue. That way my wig don't budge. That way if I sweat a little bit, it does not move back. So now you're just going to take like a rat tail comb and you're going to kind of just like smooth that glue out. Make sure it's kind of getting on that stocking cap just to keep the stocking cap in place and let it blend. But you have to do this fast. Do not let it get tacky and do this part because then it will not dry clear. It will actually dry like with a white residue. And you don't want that because it doesn't look natural. Once that dries clear, I am now going in with my second layer. Now you can do a few more layers if you want, but I just feel like this is all I needed and I didn't want to overdo it. So I think I did about 3 layers and that was it. Some people do 4. I've heard of some people doing more than that, but I don't think it's needed. So now I'm just going to slowly place my wig onto the glue in the right spot. You want to make sure it's in the right spot because once it's stuck, and trying to clean it up and fix it is just a lot. So try to place it in the right spot. I am still new to this, but I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of it. So y'all don't judge me in the comments. I'm still new, but I feel like this came out real cute. Also, something else I didn't do, and I normally do this, but I didn't because I really kind of wanted to see my part and where I wanted to place my hair. But what you can do is kind of brush the hair back so the hair is not in the way and sticking to the glue as you apply this. So next I'm using this lace melt that I found at Walmart. It's just like a mousse, and I just put that on my edges and just to kind of melt that lace and make it look like it's my skin. You know, just melt it on there, make it look real smooth and very natural. So now I'm just taking my hot comb. It's not very hot, but I'm just kind of flattening out my hair right there. I know my part ain't perfect, but I'm just going with it, y'all. I don't be making them perfect parts like y'all. But now I'm going to just kind of layer my hair. I was just going for a more layered look, you know, with that little side part. And I'm just trimming the hair slightly. It's hard to explain this part, but I know I'm not perfect with it, but shoot, this is my wig. And it's not my real hair, so I would never cut my real hair like this. But I'm just kind of giving it this like layered look because I love the layered look when you curl your hair. And my bad, y'all, I got this big huge mirror on the side, and so I'm kind of looking in that and not the camera, y'all. I was just trying to get this right. So for some of you guys that might be wondering where I got the wig from, this is actually hair that I sell, but I am not currently selling this hair right now, but I will be selling it soon, so I will definitely let you guys know. I will come back with a video and let you guys know when you guys can purchase it. Okay, now I'm just going to lay my baby hairs down. I really suck at this part. I'm not really good with the baby hairs. I'm still working on that, but I'm just going to lay them down. I think I'm using the lace mousse, and it was like the lace melt mousse. And then I'm going to put this band on my head just to kind of flatten out my lace and let the baby hairs set. Okay, y'all, now that I'm finished, this is the finished product. If you like these videos, comment down below and I'll do more videos like this with different wigs and everything. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and comment down below with any video ideas or questions.